If you've ever wanted to turn your boring old power outlet into something spicy with a shelf on it, maybe turn that outlet into a fire hazard in your bedroom, the shelf socket could be for you. Okay, Ryan here for Silly Reviews, and today we're going to be reviewing the socket shelf outlet. What it claims to do is it's going to add a little shelf to virtually any standard American power outlet in your home, your office, your motorhome, your homeless shelter, places like that. I think that's a really cool idea. Off the bat, I'm thinking you could put your phone up there, no problemo. Keep it off of your counter in the bathroom, keep it away from getting wet, and keep that daddy charged. So let's go ahead.
Having no place to put things can be frustrating.
Damn right. Look at this guy. He's about to have a mishap here. Drop his entire wall charger for his phone. What's going on? Is there no cord on this thing?
Really
Oh,
frustrating.
there it is. It's just blurry.
Having no place to put things can even be...
That guy could not figure out how to get his phone charged in his living room. Here's this lady here. She's trying to put a little Aquanet in her beehive.
dangerous. Oh. Now there's socket shelf.
Okay, this is definitely one of those as seen on TV items for the super clumsy folk.
Handy shelf that sits right above your outlets, giving you a convenient place to put a charging phone.
Okay, so the guy trying to charge his phone on a power outlet in his living room. Looks like it's working there now. Aquanet is here.
Safe place to put hairstyling products, and a great place to put
Okay, now she's got a spot for her brush.
dozens of other everyday items.
Put your keys up there. That's a good one. If you noticed right there how slippery this plastic is on here, this probably is made in China in bulk for 10 cents. I'm curious to see how much they're selling this for. My guess is 20 bucks, but we're going to find out. But the keys almost slid off of there, and that made me think that anything with a hard, smooth surface that you put on there it's gonna slide off if you're not careful.
Installation is easy. Remove your existing outlet cover and use it to hold.
Okay, so you're gonna have to remove that center screw that's usually on the plate of most outlets, and then this is gonna fasten into that screw where the screw goes. So if you're afraid of electricity like I am, it's already intimidating, and I know that may not be reasonable for this type of installation, but super freaked out by electricity.
Socket shelf in place. One screwdriver is all it takes. Socket shelf is the ideal spot for
Put your
charging
razor
electric
up there.
razors
Okay.
or keeping your electric toothbrush out of the way. And
Okay, that looks like an awful idea. If you have a decent setup, a decent electric toothbrush, a good Braun, Oral-B, whichever brand that has a charging base and everything like that, you're probably going to invest $100, give or take. Do you really want that sitting up high so it can fall down and break? Bad idea.
it isn't just for things that plug in either. Keep making
Now we have people putting glass up there on this little shelf. Genius.
up or other beauty products organized and ready, or razors and
Okay, that lady just had little mascaras and different things that can just roll right off of there. Not smart.
shaving cream close at hand.
Okay, and put your shaving cream and your razor up there. I guess so, but is that really practical after you're done with your shave? You rinse off the blade, then you're going to put it up there. That water is going to be dripping all over, dripping down. Is it going to drip into your outlet?
In the bedroom, it's the perfect place to rest cell phones or tablets. Or
Definitely want to keep your phone charging as far away from you as possible in the bedroom. You don't want to use that thing that most of us have called a nightstand.
just set the mood with an aromatic candle. In the kitchen, it's a
Definitely. Oh my God, can we go back? Can we go back?
place to rest cell phones or tablets.
Hold on a
Or
second.
just set the mood with an aromatic candle.
Set the mood by placing an aromatic candle next to the wall in your bedroom. Unbelievable. That flame is coming up over the jar, and it's 2 inches from the wall. Wow.
In the kitchen, it's a great way to keep coffee near the coffee maker and shake or smoothie mixes near the blender. It's even great for the garage. Guys finally have a place to put that rechargeable battery.
Guys finally have a place to put that rechargeable battery set up. Guys, finally. Because that's what I'm always thinking about. I'm always thinking about how frustrated I am when I need to charge my Ryobi batteries. That I don't have a place that's elevated to put the charger.
Pack. Socket shelf is compatible with any standard wall outlet and is super sturdy.
Dude was pissed.
After months or even years of holding weight, it'll still be as strong and stable as the day you bought it. So end the frustration of having no
poor
place
guy.
to put things and get yourself a convenient socket.
Frustrated. He's so frustrated. All he wants to do is put his phone in what seems like the most inconvenient place in the house. Down near the ground. Genius.
Shelf today. It's just $10 through this special TV.
Okay, $10, not bad, but this is the As Seen on TV commercial. So what I'm guessing is it's going to be plus processing and handling. Is that what they call it?
Offer, and it comes in your choice of white, black, or tan. Our
Nice.
latest version even features a cord keeper
Multiracial.
for added convenience. You'll find
Okay, so the newest model has a cord keeper. Now, that part, I guess, is okay. But it really limits you now because let's say you have your phone up there, right? You're using that. Maybe in the kitchen. Okay, I could see that happening. Again, in the bathroom. Made sense. But now you're using this cord keeper. You got to answer your phone. You're going to have to unhook it every time or just use your phone.
so many places to use your socket shelf, you'll want one for every room in the house. In fact, call right now and while supplies last, we'll give you a second socket shelf in the same color. All you pay is the processing and handling.
How much is that processing and handling?
Just $10.
Processing and handling, if you're naive to this and how As Seen on TV works when you order directly from the distributor who's putting out these As Seen on TV commercials, you're not going to, they make you think, you know, $10 plus processing and handling, you can get another one free, another processing and handling. So if you think you're paying less than 10 plus 10, you're sadly mistaken. I guarantee this comes up to $25 to $30 for two of them, if not more.
Supplies are limited, so don't delay. Here's how to order.
With the right application, I do think the socket shelf would be a very handy item. Get it at the right price using the link in the description. Ryan for Silly Reviews.